Ashley. Today was my third day of the workshop. It went well. I could learn many things from the mentor as well as through the PBL presentations from our peers. I got to know many things about what teaching, what all qualities and competencies should be needed for a teacher from this presentation itself, like how I can improve based on the KHDA link. So it was a great day. Also, I wanted to comment on my mentor again. Thank you for being so kind and informative and inclusive as well. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I'm Mary. Thank you EBT training for this opportunity. It is a wonderful experience so far, from day 1, day 2, day 3, and I appreciate everyone, my team members, the rest of the trainees. It's just a wonderful experience, and actually this has added to my CV. I'm hoping to work with the UAE as a teacher. Bye.
Hello, my name is Kulsum Fatma and I attended 3 days workshop, and the experience was really good, and also we enjoyed a lot and we have learned so much from sir, and overall it was a great journey, and we are happy for whatever we have learned and whatever we are taking it from here. Thank you.
Good evening, my name is Danish. So today I had the opportunity to attend a very informative workshop. It helped me to gain my knowledge, practical like teaching aids, and I'll get the idea about how to apply in my classroom. Second thing, it was a very good learning journey. For 3 days I had a very good like teamwork as well. I got to know, even though my mentor, he was superb. He gave lots of ideas. As an experienced teacher, I learned so many new concepts as well to implement and to develop my to develop my career. Second thing, I want to especially thank you to Miss Aditi, Mr. Shiv and Miss Yasmin for helping us like left to right, right to left. And thank you so much EBT to give us opportunity to implement everything and to develop ourselves. Thank you so much.
Hello, my name is Samreen and this is my last day of workshop, and this workshop was really helpful to me, and we have worked in a group, and yeah, that's it. Thank you so much.
The final day. I'm very happy. Today we got the certificate and also the cake, and everything was lovely. Seriously, I like everything about this workshop, and it was really a valuable addition to my CV. And one thing I want to mention about Miss Yasmin, she's really a lively and lovely lady, and we really enjoyed all the session. Thank you so much.
Hi, my name is Tasnim. This is our third day of the workshop. It was very insightful. We learned a lot of things. We also did learn our lesson plans. I think this whole 3 days has been very informative. We learned a lot. It was a great experience. Thank you.
And today is my last day of the workshop. So in this workshop we had learned a lot about the BPR, like planning of the planning lessons throughout the visualization, and all of my fellows did very well, and I also did better. And from this workshop I got the confidence that to face the others, we had to present it everything, and I think this workshop is given by them. It's very good workshop and I like it.